I thought I should give you guys a quick tip on how to organize your washing, your laundry. So here's the problem. Number one, I have this 4-compartment thing that I bought at Lowe's a while back. It works fine because it has the 4 compartments, and I get to divide my clothes as I wear them so that I can just grab them and take them to the washer. But the problem is it looks like this. It looks very messy. It always looks organized. So I thought, what would be the best solution for this? So I came up with this. So I went to Home Goods and I bought this ottoman here. It's really nice and sleek, and I wanted to basically still be able to do my laundry. So this is what I did. I bought these at Lowe's, and these are 3 washing baskets. So I'm just gonna put them in here. So what I did was I measured this, and I made sure that I would buy laundry basket that would fit in here. I measured the width, the height, and the depth. So there's my washing basket, and I'm going to put the clothes now. So here are my clothes now. You can see that they are divided with whites and lights, medium colors, and black and very dark colors. I lost 1 compartment, so I kind of have to be creative in how I divide my clothes. But I can just close this, and look at that. Nobody would know. So this works perfectly for what I want, and I will show you once everything is done. So here it is, and we can sit on it. This is gonna go back to my room, but right now it's still a little bit of a mess because we are painting the house and all of that. But this works perfectly for what I wanted. That's what I envision. You can get a smaller one if you have a smaller space, and put your washing baskets inside, and here they are again. Nobody can see them. And obviously you can use these things for toys and all of that, but for me, I needed for the washing because my kids are all grown and I don't have space in my closet to put my washing. So thank you so much. I hope you thumbs up the video and make sure you share it. Okay.